here we go. We're doing a quickie here on a 2012 Honda Civic natural gas, which is cool. And I haven't driven a CNG car in a long time. Sounds just like a regular car. So, yeah, all right, I'll be back, Roy.
Okay, you better, or you'll run out of gas.
Right? I won't know what to do. So, hanging with my buddy Roy today, and he's got this 2012 Civic. Whoa, look at those wipers, that's cool. And so he was telling me he was thinking about replacing the suspension on this car. And so I'm just kind of giving it a quick, I guess it's making a sound over bumps. So we're just gonna kind of check that out here just to see what it's doing. Sounds just like a regular car, feels just like a regular car. Just kind of testing the brakes, listening. And it's a cool car. I'd love to do a full video on this, Roy. I don't hear anything. Everything feels pretty tight, actually. Oh, I heard a little something. Maybe from the back. Just can't tell. Oh, I heard that. Comment down below, what do you think? I can't tell what it is. It needs some like better bumps. Yeah, I heard that. Well, you know, this is kind of funny because the suspension doesn't feel that tired. I mean, it drives really well. That does make that noise. Huh. There's other things rattling around too, so it's hard to tell. Let me check these speed bumps. Huh. Could be any number of things, but nothing feels loose. Just kind of sounds. I wonder if there are any parts. I wonder if there are any parts that can be like lubed up. It does kind of clunk a little bit over like the over like the manholes, whatever you call them. Let's see what's going on here. I'll go slower. I have to say, the Civic, really nice place to be. It's to me, as a taller guy and a bigger fella, this is a little more generous feeling than the Corolla, in my opinion. And I would also say that it's like a little sportier to drive, just in terms of like handling. You know, the steering is very responsive. The Corolla is not as much fun to drive. Now, I do feel like there may be like some motor mount issues going on. We're gonna check that for sure. I may not do that on camera, just because it's just like that little squeak. But I don't know if that's what Roy's talking about. I mean, there's just a lot of noises happening at once, and I just can't tell. Transmission shifts really well. You really wouldn't know this had 165,000 miles. It drives really nice, at least around this parking lot. But yeah, super comfy and roomy, sporty. It's a nice car. I like it. And to run on CNG, that's cool. Save a lot of money. I suppose finding stations can be a little challenging at times, but you know, certainly save a few bucks. Well, Roy, we'll talk about this in a minute, my friend. Inconclusive test, but we'll we'll talk. I don't know, maybe we'll take a look at those motor mounts too, see what's going on.
And then that way I can review it.
Yeah.
It's moving. The block, the whole thing is moving. You want to see it? I mean, I know I'm filming it, of course, but
Did it move quite a bit?
you tell me.
So, thanks for joining me for this quick ride in the 2012 Civic CNG. And yeah, more later. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.